Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to handle customer service inquiries. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in setting up, managing, and optimizing your Facebook customer service presence to effectively resolve customer issues, enhance customer satisfaction, and build brand loyalty. Section 1. The importance of Facebook for customer service. In today's digital era, customers are increasingly turning to social media platforms like Facebook to seek customer service assistance. Facebook offers a valuable channel for handling customer inquiries promptly, efficiently, and publicly, providing several benefits. Ease of access. Facebook is readily accessible to customers, enabling them to reach out to your brand from the comfort of their homes or mobile devices. Real-time communication. Facebook allows for real-time communication with customers, providing quick resolution to urgent issues and fostering a sense of responsiveness. Public visibility. Handling customer inquiries publicly demonstrates transparency and builds trust with potential customers. Feedback mechanism. Customer interactions on Facebook provide valuable feedback for improving products, services, and customer service processes. Section 2. Setting up your Facebook customer service presence. Before you start handling customer inquiries on Facebook, ensure you have a dedicated and professional setup. Create a Facebook business page. Establish a professional Facebook business page that represents your brand consistently. Provide clear information about your company, products, services, and customer service contact details. Enable Messenger. Activate Facebook Messenger on your business page to receive and respond to customer messages directly. Set response times. Set response time expectations for customer inquiries, ensuring prompt and timely responses. Assign a dedicated team. Assign a dedicated customer service team to monitor and manage Facebook interactions, ensuring consistent and knowledgeable responses. Section 3. Effectively managing customer inquiries. To effectively handle customer inquiries on Facebook, follow these guidelines. Respond promptly. Respond to customer inquiries promptly, ideally within a few hours or less. Acknowledge their concerns and let them know their message is being addressed. Personalize interactions. Personalize your responses by addressing customers by name and using a friendly and empathetic tone. Address issues thoroughly. Provide clear, concise, and accurate information to resolve customer issues or answer their questions. Escalate complex issues. If an issue requires a more detailed investigation or cannot be resolved promptly, escalate it to the appropriate team or department and inform the customer accordingly. Follow up. Follow up with customers after their issues have been resolved to ensure their satisfaction and address any lingering concerns. Monitor feedback. Regularly review customer interactions and feedback to identify areas for improvement and enhance your customer service approach. Section 4. Optimizing your Facebook customer service. Continuously optimize your Facebook customer service strategy to maximize its effectiveness. Track response times. Monitor your average response times and identify opportunities for improvement. Set realistic goals and strive to meet or exceed them. Utilize Messenger features. Leverage Messenger features like chatbots and saved replies to automate routine responses and FAQs, freeing up your team to handle more complex inquiries. Analyze customer sentiment. Use social listening tools to analyze customer sentiment on Facebook and identify trends or common issues that need to be addressed. Gather customer feedback. Implement surveys or feedback forms to gather insights from customers and identify areas for improvement in your customer service offerings. Embrace omnichannel support. Integrate your Facebook customer service with other support channels, such as email, phone, or live chat, to provide a seamless customer experience across different platforms. Facebook offers a powerful platform for handling customer service inquiries, providing a direct line of communication with your customers and enhancing their overall experience. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can effectively manage customer interactions on Facebook, resolve issues promptly, and foster a loyal customer base. Remember, customer service is an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement, adaptation to evolving customer needs, and a commitment to delivering exceptional customer experiences. With a strategic approach and a focus on empathy, responsiveness, and transparency, you can leverage Facebook to build a strong reputation for outstanding customer service. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how to use Facebook to build brand awareness. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me directly.